the Johnson 225 with the tilt and trim relay issue, where sometimes it'll go up, sometimes it won't, sometimes it'll go down, sometimes it won't, without a bit of encouragement, bit of a tap on the relays that control the tilt and trim motor in there. Probably just see it. So yeah, I've whipped off the cover obviously, and the relays just sit on just in there. You can see them there, and these are the original ones. We're just going to pull them. There's one. It's been a bit rainy here, so just had a bit of a storm come through. There's the other one. Now, as I say, these did have an elastic sort of silicone coating on the bottom of them that I've pulled off, because I actually did disassemble these, pulled the covers off just to have a look at the terminals, and yeah, they're all pitted, and on one of them they're completely worn away. So it's any wonder it's playing up. And these are the 695 30 amp, as I say, single pole double throw relays that we're going to replace them with. And it is really as easy as that, just plugging them into those sockets there. So we'll do the back one first. In she goes. And second one, in she goes. And with any luck, our tilt and trim, if we come around this side where the switch is, we should have action up and down. There we go. And there she goes all the way up. And that's the tilt and trim unit there. Actually just not that long ago rebuilt that with all new seals. And let's just check going down again. Looks like it should be good. No problems. And we're going to bottom out on the ground there. But yeah, looks like she's all good, ready to go with a bit more reliability again.